Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of classic trucks with the 1970 Ford F-250. Just look at this beast, the bold grille, the muscular body lines, and those classic round headlights. This truck was built to work hard and look good doing it. The 1970 F-250 features a sturdy steel body, a spacious bed for hauling, and that unmistakable Ford toughness. Whether you're on the job site or cruising through town, this truck turns heads everywhere it goes. Now let's step inside. The interior of a 1970 F-250 is all about simplicity and functionality. You got a no-nonsense dashboard, a classic steering wheel, and durable vinyl seats that can handle anything you throw at them. It's not about luxury, it's about getting the job done. This truck was designed for hard work, but its timeless design has made it a favorite for restorations and custom builds. Under the hood, the 1970 F-250 packs a punch. It's powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 engine that delivers plenty of torque for towing and hauling. With a 4-speed manual transmission and optional 4x4 capabilities, this truck is built to tackle any terrain. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or hitting the trails, the F-250's rugged performance makes it a true workhorse. Many 1970 F-250s have been restored to their original glory, while others have been customized with modern upgrades like powerful engines, updated suspension, and even luxury interiors. Whether you're a purist or a fan of resto-mods, this truck offers endless possibilities. Now let's talk about the price. A well-maintained 1970 Ford F-250 can range from $15,000 to $40,000, depending on its condition and level of restoration. For a truck that's both a classic and a capable workhorse, it's a solid investment. So, what do you think about the 1970 Ford F-250? Would you restore it to its original condition, or give it a modern twist? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.